Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to make talong sisig. We need 300 grams eggplant cut into cubes, green chili peppers according to your taste, calamansi optional, onion, Japanese mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons crispy fry breading mix, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, cooking oil, pepper according to your taste, salt according to your taste. Cut your eggplants into small cubes or in culinary term, brunoise. Put the eggplant in water to prevent them from discoloring. Toss your eggplant with flour mixture, flour, breading, salt, and pepper. Salt and pepper according to your taste. Pan fry the eggplant until golden brown. When all the eggplants are golden brown, saute the onions and green chilies. Add the mayonnaise. You may add salt and pepper or other seasoning according to your taste. Serve with more Japanese mayonnaise, green chili peppers, calamansi according to your liking. There you have it, talong sisig.
If you'd like me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.